In 2017, American college sports generated more than $1 billion in profits from advertising, broadcasting rights, merchandise, and more. And yet, thousands of student athletes who become stars across the nation are barred from getting paid for their achievements. But the U.S. state of California is now the first to change that with legislation.
SB 206 will give our student athletes who go to college in California the same right that Olympic athletes have, which is the right to their name, image, and likeness.
After the state assembly unanimously passed the bill, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed it during the cable network HBO's talk show, The Shop, hosted by the American basketball star LeBron James.
It's going to initiate dozens of other states to introduce similar legislation, and it's going to change college sports for the better by having now the interests, finally, of the athletes on par with the interests of the institutions. Now we're rebalancing that power arrangement.
The move was largely welcomed by professional and student athletes.
I always felt as though, even before I was in college, that college athletes should be paid. I mean, they put in the same sacrifice that NFL does. I mean, so in some instances, they do a little bit more. So why not reimburse them for the work?
That means starting in 2023, college athletes in California would be able to make profits from signing sponsorships and endorsement deals. But it will also lead to a standoff between the state and the National Collegiate Athletic Association. The NCAA, the governing body for college sports, argues the law is unconstitutional and would consider challenging it in court.
So the NCAA argues against this proposal and has basically threatened that NCAA teams in the state of California, which are numerous, but big ones include Cal, UCLA, USC, Stanford, that sort of thing, would be ineligible to compete in NCAA championships.
Other legal opinions suggest the NCAA couldn't retaliate because doing so would be a violation of antitrust. The new law also intends to encourage more star athletes to stay in schools and finish their degrees. And it seems it may also encourage more athletes from other states to favor recruitment by California schools. Ediz, Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.